You better love me again. You better love me again.
Back to my channel Harshivkakarala. Today's topic is how to install Linux in a Chromebook. First, go to settings. After, click Linux. Click on the turn on option. Then next, harshivkakarala. 7.5 GB. It is installing. After installing, how to install Python, PyCharm, I'll show in next videos. In coming videos, I'll show you how to install virtual machine, how to install PyCharm, Pygame. So many I'll post you. Please subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, I will let you know more information about Chromebook. I'm not cutting the video because how the process will go on, I'll show you. It will install slowly because it is a software type. It is installing. It will take 20 minutes time to install. In next video how to do this editing, I will show you in Chromebook. Amazon, I'm clicking on Amazon, then Amazon will come. I'll show you these also in coming videos. Few minutes, start the Linux container. It will take 20 minutes to install. Don't feel afraid. It is installed successfully. Now we can write a code like sudo apt update. I will show these codes in coming videos. Click on Y, enter. Okay, I'll show in coming videos. Thank you for watching.